Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again with a late night video. We got a Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link will be down below. We're about to see what's inside. There we go. You can take advantage of the Amazon Prime's fast shipping. Get this in no time. But it is Wednesday, hump day. We made it. Oh, come on. Open it. Okay. Alright. Here we go. Then we got down here. What do we have in here? One more cut. There we go. And we have. Drop this down on the ground. Pretty heavy. Oh boy. Yep, now this is the one to get. You guys can take advantage of the low cost. This is courtesy of CGK luxury comforter for king size bed. Oh yes. So you guys can see it. Definitely excited to open this up. Be careful when you open it. Don't want to rip it. Right there. Oh boy. Oh. There we go. Ah, shoot. Get a couple more cuts in. There we go. Oh, you guys almost fell. That would not have been fun. There we go. Cut. There we go. Aha. We have arrived. And then I'm going to do it on the bed in a minute. Oh boy. So definitely check them out, YouTubers. You guys got some free time, look them up. I think they got pretty much all the sizes, queens and doubles. Oh yeah, this is nice. This will keep you warm. Look at this. Bada boom, nice color. Oh yes. All right, I'll be back with the whole thing on the bed. See you in a minute. Alrighty, YouTubers, here it is, CJK king size comforter. Definitely comfortable. Get a good night's sleep right there. Really soft. Super soft. Definitely stay warm in the wintertime. So check them out. Link will be down below. Get one at a low cost. And take advantage of the Amazon Prime's fast shipping. So, alright, YouTubers, be safe, have a good night, and see you soon.